Hey everyone, today we are going to provide you with a comprehensive guide on how to effectively employ tactics and methods to improve your website's ranking on relevant keywords in search engine results. Ensure a good user experience. Let us discuss optimizing your website's user experience. Visitors expect a seamless, user-friendly interface. We will guide you on achieving that. Google prioritizes relevant, high-quality content, but a smooth and efficient user interface is equally vital. We will share tips for achieving this balance. Additionally, we will explore factors like usefulness, usability, desirability, findability, value, credibility, and accessibility, all contributing to an improved user experience. Great content for better ranking. Next, we will discuss crafting content that achieves better rankings. You may have heard that longer content tends to rank better. It is not just a myth, it is a well-supported fact. We will explain why. Longer content provides in-depth knowledge, reducing the need for your audience to search elsewhere. This greatly boosts your content's chances of ranking higher in search results. Prioritize organic traffic. Let us dive into the importance of prioritizing organic traffic. Organic traffic is a limitless source of opportunities. Unlike paid advertising or social media, we will detail why it is vital for long-term success. While paid advertising like PPC has its merits, it is crucial to strike a balance between paid and organic traffic. We will explore how an over-reliance on paid advertising can impact your business in the long run. Conduct effective keyword research. In our ever-evolving digital world, Google's algorithms are in constant flux. Understanding user intent, search volume, and delivering precise search results is essential. We will guide you through the entire keyword research process. Selecting the right keywords and optimizing your content for them is critical for achieving higher search engine rankings. We will share valuable insights on how to do this effectively. Master content marketing. Content is key in online marketing. We will guide you on mastering content marketing to reach your audience and create a strong online presence. Content marketing involves not just creation, but also effective promotion. We will explore techniques like leveraging social media and email marketing to promote your products and services. Create quality backlinks. Finally, let us explore the art of creating quality backlinks. Backlinks are crucial for website authority and ranking. We will guide you on acquiring them through high-quality content and influencer marketing. These strategies form the core of building a robust online presence and achieving higher search engine rankings. By following these methods, you can make your website truly work for you. That is for today. If this concept resonated with you, then stay tuned for our next video where I will introduce how to master keyword optimization, a step-by-step guide. Thank you for watching, and I will see you on to the next one.